Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this brand new Android Firebase tutorial series. And yeah, it's been a long while I'm saying that I'm going to start the Firebase tutorial, and I thought this is the right time. So let's begin into the very first tutorial. And in this tutorial, I just want to say, first off, before you're watching the Android tutorial, I just want to say that it's kind of a little different to learn the Firebase codes and something like that, because we are going to use the intermediate level codes inside the Android Studio for the Firebase integration. So that means if you have watched my Android beginner tutorial from 1 to 50, then you'll be pretty sure that you are going to understand the codes that I'm actually writing. And if you have any kind of questions, you can ask in the comment section, and I'll be answering each of your questions. So now let's begin the Firebase. So actually, what is a Firebase? The Firebase is a backend service which is actually offered by the Google itself. So what is a backend service? The backend service is nothing but something that enable a few more power to our Android app or anything. So Firebase is a backend service that enable or enhance the ability of our Android app to do more than what we have expected. And using the Firebase, we can do a lot of things inside the Android app, like push notification, data management, and a database, to be more precise. And we can also do the login, whatever else. There are a lot of there is a plenty of new things that you can able to do if you have the Firebase inside your Android app. So as I said, the Firebase is offered by the Google, so we can trust it, and also it is much efficient. There is a lot of backend services that we can use inside our Android app, but officially Google has released the Firebase, and it makes us easy to integrate into our Android app, because the Firebase, you only have to write a really less amount of codes to integrate the Firebase. And there is one more other specialty that Firebase have, and that is actually the Firebase can able to, if you're using the Firebase inside your Android application for retrieving some kind of data in a particular time interval, then you can use the Firebase. And the best part is that your application don't have to check the server for the new updates, and instead the Firebase has a new specialty that it can able to send whenever the data is actually updated, and that will make the application much efficient and lightweight. Anyway, let's get started. So Firebase has, as I told you, the Firebase has a lot of different kind of features, like the push notification, data management, database, and Google authentication. And even we can use the Firebase to make very varieties of applications, like the chat application, and we can also make some kind of feed application, like if you want to make a simple application that can send a new post to the viewers, and the viewers can able to actually make a post, and some kind of blogging application, and it can be also done using the Firebase. And it also, Firebase can be used to make the chat applications, like a small, we can simply make a application that is similar to the WhatsApp. And there is a lot of other things you can do with the Firebase. So this is the part 1, and in this tutorial series we'll be going to cover the basic idea about the Firebase. And also I just want to say that I'm not pretty sure that I can able to upload new videos in each days, but I will try to maintain the Firebase tutorial playlist. So you can, in this playlist, I guess it will be around 30 to 50 tutorials we're going to cover, so that you will be getting a really basic idea about the Firebase. And once you got the basic idea, you will be going to you're capable of making some exciting Android applications. And the only thing that you actually require to just do, or to continue watching this Firebase tutorial, is you need a basic idea about the Android application, which you can able to get easily from the Android beginner tutorial series that I have uploaded inside my Android application. And in case if you're new to this channel, then hit that subscribe button. Also, if you are a newbie to this Android development, then you can watch that tutorial that I have mentioned before. So from the next tutorial onwards, we'll be going to just elaborate the idea about the Firebase, and we'll be going to create a account inside the Firebase website, which is actually firebase.google.com. And inside that we'll be going to sign up for the Android application, and just doing more and more stuffs. And once again, I'm repeating that if you got any kind of errors or any kind of doubts while you're listening to my videos, then you can comment in each of the video, and as soon as I get free time, I will be answering each of your questions. Also, you can tell your feedback in the comment section, and I highly appreciate that. Anyway, we will be going to start the Firebase tutorial from the next video onwards, so stay tuned. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.